All right, this is the other elevator at the Omni Grove Park Inn, and this elevator is pretty much the exact same like the other one I rode, but I rode the other one first because I passed by this elevator, but it was quite busy, so I rode the other one down the far end. And there's a live concert music play, so hopefully I don't get slapped with copyright or anything. And here's the elevator right here.
Hello.
Yes.
Are you going up?
Not only just going up, but I just like to ride the elevator because it's old historic.
Okay.
Now, would it be okay if I start from the basement and then go all the way up to the top without, because I'm not getting off on any floors at all.
Okay. Well, I'm not supposed to bring people down to the basement.
Okay, no, that's fine. Just all the way up and back down.
I got it, honey.
All right, cool.
That's what I do. Yeah.
I was just asking. No worries.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
This is an Otis. This was originally installed by Otis from 1913, and it was modernized by Asheville with GAL fixtures.
Oh, you're an Otis guy. How
Yeah.
long have you worked for Otis?
Actually, I don't typically work for Otis. I'm just an elevator enthusiast. I know several technicians that gave me the shirt.
That's nice.
Yeah. You can take me back down.
Have you ever Googled Betty Lou Oliver?
No, I have never heard of that.
You need to Google Betty Lou Oliver. Do you want me to write it down for you?
Betty Lou Oliver. I already heard. I have a capture on video.
No, Betty Lou Oliver was in the Empire State Building. She was an elevator operator.
Oh,
In the
okay.
1940s. And a plane crashed into the floor she was on. And she got badly burned. And 11 people died. The 2 pilots
Heard
died.
about it.
They put her in the corner, not knowing that when she was going down, the cables were going to break. And she fell 70 floors and survived.
Actually, I heard about that.
Yeah.
I actually kind of heard about that,
You
incident.
should Google her. She's amazing.
I don't mean to ask if I take a second trip because
Sure,
I just want to listen to the sound. I just literally heard the relays while we're having a conversation, and I just want to get a silent listen to the sound of
Are
it.
you guys going up? Yes. Come on in. Okay, where are you two going?
We're going to 5.
Okay. Did you just check in?
No.
Okay. They explain how the elevator works?
Yeah.
Okay. And you know you just hit the button once, it lights up, makes a noise in here.
Yeah.
We'll come get you. It doesn't light up out there. So
Got it.
people keep. Are you guys celebrating?
No.
Just getting away?
Just a quick,
Getting away.
just a long weekend
Okay.
vacation.
Well, thank you for supporting Asheville.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
We're from Texas.
Okay.
I'm from Texas too.
Nice.
Oh, yeah?
Yep,
Have a good day.
See ya.
all the way up to 6 and back down.
Okay.
These are your fixtures. If no one's waiting, would you mind if I take for one more trip because I didn't get a chance to silently hear the motor sound? I don't think you'll be able to hear the relays well on camera over the fan, but I've clearly heard it with my own 2 ears. Back down to 1. You don't mind if I take a picture of the phone?
That's fine.
There's your phone. Anyway, so this used to be originally installed by Otis from 1913 and was modernized by Asheville Elevator Company with GAL fixtures. Thank you so much, ma'am.
My pleasure.
Oh, I love that sound.
Actually, you're hearing the fan up there.
No, it's actually the clicking sound. That's the mechanics that I hear. Or they're the relays. A lot of old elevators from the 1910s that they use relay logic equipment that makes that clicking sound, which a lot of stuff you see are all microprocessors, computer basic.
Wow, you need to write a book.
Of course. But anyways, thanks for
on
watching,
in.
and that'll be it.